Hello, Gavin again from Lucid Computer Solutions. How are we doing? So I've got another unboxing video for you today, and once again it's a laptop, and it is this one we will be unboxing today. As you can just about see here, it's a Lenovo laptop we'll be unboxing as ever. I will check the model number and tell you. So this one that we're unboxing today is the V14-IIL. So we will unbox this in a second. It's a 14-inch laptop. It has an i5 10th generation processor in it, 8GB of RAM, 256GB SSD, and yeah, it's a 14-inch full HD screen running Windows 10 Pro. So shall we go ahead, unbox this, and I'll give you a few first impressions of it as well. I'm quite looking forward to this one. I like 14-inch laptops. I like 13-inch laptops and smaller. As you may have seen on some of my other videos, is 15-inch laptops. I'm not such a fan of, but we won't get into that today. Anyway, I have removed it from its box. Let's remove the other packaging, and we'll take it straight away. I can tell you, again, genuine first impressions here. I like when I can hold a device with one hand, as you can see I can do, and I can also tell you it's not stupidly light, but it's light. It's no problem holding it with one hand, size and weight wise, so that's a good sign. I like that. So let's take it out of this plastic and take a look at it. Now another good sign here, again, going back to previous videos, you will know that when it comes to the black plastics at the moment, you'll know with some of the Lenovo and Dell laptops I've been looking, when it's that really cheap black plastic, it really shows your finger marks, your fingerprints when you touch it. This is obviously grey, but more importantly, the plastic feels different. It feels better than that budget plastic. It's got, I can just see it in ever so slightly when I hold it to the light. There's a bit of a texture to it, a bit of a pattern, and my guess is having that helps stop with that fingerprint and marking. So again, I like the size, I like the weight, and I like the plastic. For it to be metal, but hey, I'm always gonna say for that. But so far, so good. So I've just opened it up, and now we can take a look at it. And again, you know, there's nothing mind-blowingly exciting to look at here. You know, let's be honest, there isn't. It is a business laptop. It doesn't have, you know, any frills, bells and whistles aesthetically, appearance-wise, nor should it. For a good solid business laptop, that doesn't matter that much. Because this is a 14-inch laptop, what I really like about it, therefore, is the size and the location. I say location, that's probably the wrong word, the placement of the keyboard, because there's no number pad. And I prefer laptops with no number pad. Now, for some people, you might really need a number pad because you're an accounts person and you use the laptop keyboard directly a lot and you benefit from that. I always feel it feels a bit cramped when there's a number pad on the side of a laptop. And I know that's the case with literally every single 15-inch laptop. This being 14-inch, full-size keyboard without the number pad, to me, I much prefer. So again, first impressions after unboxing this Lenovo laptop is, I like it. I really like it. I like the size, I like the weight. I like the plastic, which doesn't feel like the budget plastic I've previously looked at. And this laptop was a bit more than the budget laptop anyway. Again, roughly off the top of my head, I think this one was about £550, something like that. So it's not ultra cheap, but it's certainly not mega expensive. There's a lot more laptops that are more than this than there are less. I like this laptop. I like the look of it. I'm looking forward to setting this up and doing a full review on it. Once I've had a play with it and we've set it up here, I'll do a full review when it's actually working properly with Windows configured and all the rest of it, and I'll do a full review. But I think this is going to be a good one. genuinely, I think that's going to be a good one, that is. I like the look and feel of that. So that's about it for today. If you've enjoyed this video, please do smash the like button. In all seriousness, it really helps grow our channel if you do that, so please do it. Likewise, please do subscribe. Again, massively helps grow our channel. Feel free to comment on the video. I always try and personally get back to anybody who comments. If you've got any thoughts on this laptop or a similar laptop which you might be able to recommend to us, please feel free to do so. And likewise, use the links below to connect with me on the likes of LinkedIn, Instagram and Twitter. So that's me, Gavin from Lucid Computer Solutions. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.